First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes monitor, cigarette lighter adapter, USB to DC cable for monitor, charging plug, USB to Type-C cable for camera, antenna *3, bracket, solar backup camera and manual. Install both antennas on the monitor simultaneously. Install the third antenna on the camera. The camera is a strong magnetic base. Simply place it gently on the metal surface of the vehicle and the installation is complete. Remove the protective film from the camera before use. Flexible camera angle adjustment. Press the power button on the side of the camera to turn it on. After opening, the blue indicator light illuminates. Pull back the rubber on the side of the camera, and there's a Type-C socket inside. Connect one end of the Type-C cable to the charging port on the side of the camera. Plug the other end of the Type-C cable into a power outlet, car USB, car charger, home power. When the camera is charging, the fourth light will come on, and the color is red. When all power status lights are lit, it means the camera is fully charged. Loosen the nuts on the bracket. The bracket can be flexibly adjusted to different angles. Align the bracket with the holes on the back of the monitor and snap it into. Peel off the protective film from the bottom of the bracket. Place it on the dashboard or windshield. Press to expel the air, then pull the air release buckle downward to secure it. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. Connect one end of the cigarette lighter adapter to the monitor. Insert the cigarette lighter into the cigarette lighter socket. Press the red button lights up. The display lights up, and an image appears on the screen. Connect one end of the USB power cable to the monitor. Plug the other end of the USB power cable into the USB port inside the vehicle. Turn on the monitor using the power switch on the USB power cable. The display lights up, and an image appears on the screen. Touch the first button to turn the display off or on. Touch the second button to enter exit menu mode. Touch the fourth button to switch camera channels. Press and hold the third button to open the guidelines. Press and hold the third button again to turn off the guidelines. Touch right key to activate quick brightness adjustment. Touch the left and right buttons to adjust brightness. Touch the second button to enter menu mode. The pairing icon is used for pairing signals. Images cannot be entered. Touch the left or right button to switch to the picture. Touch the third button to enter. Touch the third key, the icon turns red. Touch the left or right button to adjust brightness. Touch the third button to confirm and save. Touch the left or right button to switch to the contrast. Touch the third button to selected. Touch the left or right button to adjust contrast. Touch the third button to confirm. Touch the left or right button to switch to the hue. Touch the third button to selected. Touch the left or right button to adjust hue. Touch the third button to confirm. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Touch the left or right button to switch to the mirror flip. Touch the third button to enter. Touch the left or right keys to select the mode you need. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Touch the left or right button to switch to the system. Touch the third button to enter. Touch the third key, the icon turns red. Touch the left or right button to select the language you need. Touch the third button to confirm. Touch the left or right button to switch to the P line. Touch the third button to selected. Touch the left or right button to turn on, off the guideline. Touch the third button to confirm. Touch the left or right button to switch to the reset. Touch the third button to selected. Touch the left or right button to turn on the reset function. Touch the third button to confirm. Note: when the reset function is activated, the display will revert to its original data. When the guidelines are turned on, long touch the fourth key, the H appear on the screen. Touch the left or right key to adjust the height of the guideline. Touch the third key, the W appear on the screen. Touch the left or right key to adjust the width of the guideline. Touch the third key, the M appear on the screen. Touch the left or right key to move the guideline to the left or right. The system will automatically save the adjusted data. Touch the fourth button to switch to the channel you want to pair with. Press the second button to enter menu mode. Press the third button to enter pairing countdown. When the countdown appears on the screen, turn on the camera power. The image appears on the screen, indicating a successful pairing.